Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to watch Hulu offline. Now if you know, you can download Hulu with Disney Plus, or you can get Hulu and ESPN Plus with Disney Plus, which you can save a lot of money. So I just wanted to kind of give you that a hint at the start of the video, but let's get right into it. So you can manage downloads and watch offline on Hulu. You can actually subscribe to Hulu with no ads, and you can have access to downloadable content on supported mobile devices as well as on your computer. So what you can do is, with the right Hulu plan, of course, as I said, you need to have a plan that supports downloadable content, right? To download a movie or episode, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi network or enable cellular downloading, and then you need to go to search from the navigation bar and then tap downloadable from the menu. Then you can swipe through the various collections to browse. You can select the movie or show you'd like to download, and then you can, for movies, you can press download button, and then for TV shows you need to select obviously episodes and then click on find downloadable episodes, and then if an episode is available for downloading, you can tap download, and that's pretty much it. And then if you want to see your downloads, go to the download section. This is the icon right here from the global navigation bar. Now if you already know what you're looking for, you can type in the movie or show in the search bar, and just keep in mind that download availability varies from title to title. So some shows will have it, some will not have it. So that's pretty much it. It's the same on your iOS and Android. You just go to downloads, you tap settings, and then you obviously toggle cellular downloading on or off to have it with your 4G or 3G so that you can download it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to watch Hulu offline. If you have any questions or concerns, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.